So we are the best in what we do. Okay, so that's something you again have to. Kumbaga for now, you have to internalize. You are the best in what you do. Okay, it doesn't necessarily have to be the best in everything. Okay, kumbaga kung meron kang core focus. Okay, so for example, sabi natin si Marvin, siya ang expert in hibernate. Okay, so he's kumbaga siya yung magiging the best resource about hibernate in the Philippines. Wala rin sabihin in the whole world. Sobrang galing na nila. Okay. Pero, it instills the discipline or the value of being a leader. Okay, leadership. And it's, so, from the picture itself, life is like, a race. There's always competition, and we always wanted to be, of course, the number one, the winner. Okay, not the number two, but the number one who always makes it first in the race. Again, like I was saying, it doesn't necessarily have to be in everything. Okay, so like in terms of the organization, we'd like to be the best. We'd like to be able to provide the best consultant in Java technology. So specifically Java open source technology. So, kumbaga, focus tayo doon. Gusto natin tayo maging pinakamagaling doon. Okay? So, maybe we can, ask anyone who can share kung mayroon na silang kung ano ba yung na-experience nyo na you think na practice nyo yung leadership.
Sa previous ko, actually, medyo higher up din ako. So, naano ko naman, wala kasi yung handle ko na project doon. Yung entire team ng buong project, kumbaga, from in, galing sa client, tapos, yung the whole process, yung sa paglabas, parang, ako yung, na-oversee ko, parang gano'n. So, yun, okay naman yung, okay naman yung assessment ko sa sarili ko. Since I handle multiple projects na.
Alright.
Gagawa ko naman ng maayos.
Alright. So, si Sir Benji, may experience na siya leading a team. Ilan yung member mo na dati? Ano nangyari?
So, the highest was 37.
Oh, 37. Oh.
37.
Okay. So, thank you. Anyone else has to share? Hindi naman kang thesis na kakaiba. Ikaw yung naging best thesis.
School lang.
Oo, siyempre.
Presidente ka or minsan
si JM pala, naging presidente na.
sa classroom lang.
That's fine.
Saka yung mga report yung leader.
Tama. Kung meron kayong classroom project, someone has to take leadership and then they'll give parang instructions kung ano yung gagawin to make sure na lahat kayo aligned may ginagawa. So, ano na-experience mo as your classroom president?
Wala, sir.
So, bakit ka naman na-feel as classroom president?
Too much yung utak ko or hindi siya kasi nakikita ng mga professor din so responsible ako.
Alright. Okay. That's good. Sige. Okay. So, leadership applies to both corporate and individual roles. So, as a corporation, as a company, gusto natin maging leader in the industry. So, like I was saying, to be the leader in providing Java programmers, Java consultants. So eventually, we'd like to get to a point na pag sinabi nila, galing ng idea tech yan, magaling yan. Parang ganon. So, that's in terms of the company and individual goals. So, for example, si Benji decided, gusto ko maging magaling sa Yahoo Developer Network. So, anything UI related, Kumbaga siya yung pinaka-expert. And, next time makita mo, nagtutok na siya dyan sa CIPC talking about theory. Okay? So, that's something, we want everyone to become. So, kung ba si Marvin, maging expert sa hibernate, so magtutok na yan sa about hibernate. Ganito kasi yung hibernate. Hindi, mali ka. Ganito yan. Ito yung mas efficient way of doing things. So, that's becoming a leader. Being an expert in a certain field. Now, I guess, it may sound parang sobrang hirap, but then if you can actually just focus on certain things and become, good at it, then hindi na sila ganun kaya. Kasi kung gusto mo maging expert sa lahat, talagang mahirap yun, di ba? But then, I guess, personally on your end, you also have to find within Java, within the course of the training, anong topics doon yung tingin mong very interesting and tingin mong mas may value para sa'yo and mas mag-excel ka. And, and you become a leader in that area. You have to believe that you can change the world. Okay, again, it all starts with the mind. Okay, kasi kung hindi mo isipin na kaya mo, hindi mo talaga kayanin. Okay, so you all start with the mind, that thinking that, you can change the world. Okay, we're talking here, changing the world. It's how the internet has changed the world. Diba? So, kumbaga, before, let's go back to prehistoric times. See, when the time that the world is flat, there was a time na lahat, ang pagkakaintindi nila is the world is flat. Until they were able to sail around the world to prove na, silog pala yan. There was a time na ang alam nila is Earth is the center of the revolution. Kumbaga lahat ng planet umiikot around the Earth. Diba? Until I think it was Copernicus, who said, hindi, yung sun yung, and then, pero, at the time, ang lahat, hindi naniwala sa kanya. Okay, but they were able to change a certain, parang naging norm. Okay, and, you have to believe that you can change the world. You can do something that is different than what everyone's doing right now. At least, start with, believing in yourself. And then, there's a saying that says, if you reach your sun, of course, it's not literal, pero if you reach your sun and you fail, you'll at least land at a star. Okay? So, kumbaga, kung malayo yung naabot mo, kung hindi mo siya maabot, malayo pa rin yung narating mo. Okay? Kasi kung yung gusto mo, yun nandyan lang sa harapan mo, wala ka talaga makarating. Yun dun, hanggang doon ka lang talaga. So, you think wider, you think larger. So, at least, even if you don't get that, you get something big. Ayun. So, like I was saying earlier, focus on your strength and be the leader in that area. So, that's the first core value. Talks about leadership. Okay, being the best in what we do.